So here is a full training tutorial for beginners on Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM acts as a simple repository to bring your sales, marketing, and customer support activities together and streamline your process, policy, and people in one platform. So if you want to start using Zoho CRM, click on my link down in the description to get started. So here, you can sign in or sign up for your Zoho account. So click on Sign Up Now. After that, you need to fill up all of your information, like your full name, work email, password, and your phone number. Then, agree to the terms and conditions and click on Get Started. Or, you can sign in with Google or LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. After that, choose your Google account and click on Continue. After that, you'll be redirected to another section. So on this part, you need to put in your first name and last name, then agree to the terms and conditions and click on Create Account. So make sure all the information is correct and click on it. Then, you need to wait for a while for it to get connected. After that, you will get to see this section. Here, you need to put in your company name. So go ahead and type it in. And once you're done, you need to put in your phone number. Then click on Get Started. Then you need to wait for a while for it to get loaded up. So as you can see, we're now in the home screen. Here, you can go through all the information or click on Skip on the top right. So here, you can set up your CRM by clicking on the options that you want. But for now, we will click on Skip on the top right. So as you can see, we are now in the dashboard. Wait for it to load up and you will get to see all of these details right here. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see additional information. And since our account is new, there is nothing available. So here, on the top panel, you will get to see a lot of options that you can utilize. Now, let's click on the three dots on the right, and you will get to see Add Component, Reorder, and View in full screen. And if you click on your name drop-down right here, you will get to see options like Classic View, Your Home, and Manager's Home, and then Customize Homepage. Now let's click on Classic View. And as you can see, the dashboard has changed to Classic View. And at the first part, you'll be able to see your tasks. All the tasks that you have will be present here. Now if you scroll down further, you will get to see Amount by Stage and My Meetings Today. So let's click on the drop-down on the top right again, and then from the available options, go ahead and click on Manager's Home. And once it loads up, you will notice that we now have a different dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view the performance overview of your projects. And if you scroll down further, you will get leads by source this month, then pipeline by this month, and all the other information that are available. So check them all out and then scroll up to the top. After that, we will go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right corner right here. Then click on Add Component from the options. So from here, go over to the left panel and you will see Dashboard and Customer View. Click on Dashboard and select Choose Dashboard. Here, you have different options to choose from. Go through them and choose any of them and you will get some additional options. Now, if you click on any of them, it will add this section onto your page. This way, you can add all of these options to your page. And if you select one that is already added, you will get this notification on the top. Here, just click on Got It. So once you're done adding all the components to your dashboard, go ahead and click on Save on the top right corner. Or you can also click on Cancel if you want to leave this page without saving your changes. Now, click on Leads from the top panel. After that, you will get to see all of your leads right here on this screen. And on the left panel, you will get the option to filter by leads. And these right here are samples. And on the top right, you have Create Lead and Actions. So let's go ahead and click on Create Leads. And here, as you can see, you have the option to put in all the information about your lead. So put in their first name. After that, you need to put in the title. Then, go ahead and type in their phone number. After that, you can put in their mobile number if you want. Then, go ahead and select the lead source from the options. Here, you can scroll through or search. Then, you need to add the industry of your lead. So scroll through the options or use the search bar. After that, you have annual revenue. Here, you can put in your lead's annual revenue. After that, on the right side, you need to put in their company name. So I will type in something random for now. Then, go ahead and put in their last name. After that, put in their email address and make sure that it is the correct email address for your lead, or else you will have some trouble afterwards. And after you're done putting in the email, you can put in their fax number if you want. And then you have the option to put in their website. If they have a website, type it in. Then you need to select the lead status. So choose any one from these options. After that, you have options like rating. So select the rating, and also you have additional options to choose from. After that, put in their address information and description. Then click on Save on the top right corner. And since I put in an invalid website URL, I will try something that is valid, which is this page's URL. And after you're done putting in the URL, click on Save on the top right. And as you can see, it is now being saved. Just wait for it to get done. And as you can see, it is done. Just go through all of the information that you've added and make sure that they're correct. Don't forget to double check this information. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Leads from the top panel right here. And this is where you'll be able to view all of the leads that you've added. Now, if you click on All Leads on the top, you will see options to filter through the leads. And you can select the lead type from right here. So now, go ahead and click on Contacts from the top panel right here. Here, you can click on Create Contact on the top right, and also you have actions. So click on Create Contact. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. And here, you need to put in the information about your contact. Put in all the information and just go ahead and click on Save on the top right. For now, I will click on Cancel. And once you add your contact, they will be visible right here on this page. So this way, you'll be able to easily use Zoho CRM. Just go through all of these options and you will get to learn more once you start digging deeper into the Zoho CRM platform. You can utilize all of these options on the top panel like leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, reports, analytics, products, quotes, sales orders, services, projects, and more. And that is exactly how to use Zoho CRM for beginners.